Learn English to Gujarati. To like and want phrases with
gamvuṁ,
and.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Welcome to Wanting Things Politely. Hey, you're about to learn how to like things, want things, and sound charming instead of sounding like a hungry raccoon at a bakery. Let's make Gujarati feel friendly, useful, and fun. Today's big ideas are liking and wanting. In Gujarati, one core word is
gamvuં,
meaning to like. Then we build useful phrases such as
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
for I would like,
તું ઈચ્છે છે.
for informal, you want,
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
for he wants or she wants,
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
for we would like and,
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
for plural or polite, you want. Yes, one little lesson, many powerful snacks for your brain. Your first favorite word. Start with the easiest emotional win. If you can say what you like, you can already sound human and not like a confused refrigerator. The Gujarati word for to like is
gamvuં,
say it slowly.
gamvuં,
Imagine smelling fresh chai and smiling. That feeling is
gamvuં,
if a song, food, place, or person feels pleasant, connect that warm feeling to
gamvuં,
funny memory trick. Think, good things stick like gum, so your brain sticks to
gamvuં,
mini line. I like this starts in your mind with
gamvuં,
I would like tea, and possibly a nap. Now let's upgrade from simple liking to polite wanting. This is the phrase you want in cafes, shops, and those dramatic moments when you absolutely need snacks. For I would like, use
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
hand on chest, gentle reach forward.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Example, I would like some tea, is
હું ચા ઈચ્છું છું.
example, I would like to learn Gujarati, is
હું ગુજરાતી શીખવા ઈચ્છું છું.
picture a parrot in a restaurant repeating
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
until someone gives it a samosa. That ridiculous bird is now your language tutor. You want, informal and polite. Gujarati gives you two useful versions of you want. One is informal and one is polite or plural. Think of it as the difference between talking to your buddy and talking to your buddy's grandmother. Informal singular, you want, is
તું ઈચ્છે છે.
polite or plural, you want, is
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
example informal.
તું આ પુસ્તક ઈચ્છે છે.
You want this book. Example polite.
તમે વધુ સમય ઈચ્છો છો.
You want more time. A helpful joke. If you say the polite version to one important person, great. If you say the informal version to the wrong person, your eyebrows may need to apologize. He wants, she wants, and grammar reuses the outfit. Here comes a neat shortcut. Gujarati often uses the same phrase shape for he wants and she wants, which is excellent news for your memory and terrible news for overcomplicated charts. He wants is.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
She wants is also.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Example.
તે પાણી ઈચ્છે છે.
He wants water. Example.
તે ગુજરાતી શીખવા ઈચ્છે છે.
She wants to learn Gujarati. So if you hear
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
context tells you whether it is he or she. Efficient, elegant, slightly sneaky. We would like, because alone is less fun. Now let's bring in a group. Because language learning is better with friends, family, or at least one person who will split the dessert. We would like, is.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
Example.
અમે ચા ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
We would like tea. Example.
અમે વધુ સમય ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
We would like more time. Imagine a group of extremely polite cats at a cafe saying,
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
If that mental image stays forever, honestly, good. It is educational. A tiny story at the tea shop. Let's put the phrases into one silly little scene so your memory can hang everything on a story hook. Stories are sticky, much stickier than grammar tables. You walk into a tea shop in Gujarat. The smell of chai makes you think
gamvuં.
immediately. You smile and say,
હું ઈચ્છું છું. ચા.
Your friend points at a snack, and the shopkeeper laughs, saying,
તું ઈચ્છે છે.
That one, right? Then two more friends arrive and announce,
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
More tea. Across the room, a boy stares at a sweet, and everyone knows.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
It. A woman sees the last mango dessert, and yes.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
It too. Suddenly the waiter turns to you politely and asks what.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
Congratulations. You are now surviving the world's tastiest grammar scene. Repeat after me drill. No stress, just echo the phrases. Your job is to repeat. My job is to pretend this is not secretly a workout for your mouth. To like.
ગમવું.
I would like.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
You want, informal?
તું ઈચ્છે છે.
He wants.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
She wants.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
We would like.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
You want, polite or plural?
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a tiny quiz. If you get one wrong, that is fine. Even genius parrots need practice. How do you say, to like?
ગમવું.
How do you say, I would like?
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
How do you say informal, you want?
તું ઈચ્છે છે.
How do you say, he wants?
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
How do you say, she wants?
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
How do you say, we would like?
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
How do you say polite or plural, you want?
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
Memory tricks that actually help. Before we finish, let's give your brain a few hooks. Not weird enough to frighten you, but weird enough to work. 4.
ગમવું.
Imagine a glowing heart stuck with gum to your favorite song. 4.
હું ઈચ્છું છું.
Picture yourself in a cafe politely reaching for tea. 4.
તું ઈચ્છે છે.
See your friend dramatically reaching for the last samosa. 4.
તે ઈચ્છે છે.
Imagine a child or a woman both pointing at the same shiny dessert. 4.
અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
Hear a chorus of friends asking together. 4.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
Picture a polite shopkeeper asking what you want. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a very useful set of Gujarati phrases for liking and wanting, and you did it without falling into a swamp of boring grammar charts. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating.
ગમવું. હું ઈચ્છું છું. તું ઈચ્છે છે. તે ઈચ્છે છે. અમે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
And.
તમે ઈચ્છો છો.
Out loud. Practice a little today, a little tomorrow, and soon Gujarati will start sounding familiar, friendly, and maybe even delicious.